I picked up this hose and there was no male end on it. Well, I picked up, this is cut off pretty straight, so I picked up this male end. It's got a compression fitting here. I'm going to take this nut off. Put the nut on the hose first. Then one of these tabs bent down. There we go. Bend that out. Check all those tabs, make sure those are all lined up, because those are what get compressed down and then clamp onto the hose. Line that up carefully, check all the tabs. Twisting it makes it easier to put on and push it on as far as it'll go. And carefully start the threads on that nut. Don't want to cross thread it. End up stripping out the threads, tighten that up. And hose repaired. Be sure to check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.